center nut comes out. And then you got these E12 bolts. There's a little bracket there, little bracket on top. Hammer out the center nut, and all that drops. Whew. Beauty. Look at that. That is my ABS ring. No wonder why it's fogged. So we have where the ABS ring was. Just use a screwdriver. Thread it off that way. Boom. The old one. Pretty naffed. And then we've got a new one. So let's go. Do clean first. Now I'm absolutely knackered, but that's nice and clean. So, ABS ring on. I like to get lubed up when I work, just to make sure it goes on nicely. Look at that. And just get it all over. Just make sure it goes on nicely. ABS ring on, looking all shiny. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. It's fixed! It's finally fixed! Took it for a drive round the block and it has not come back. If we check the control message, boom! Yes!